Hi, my name is Pauline and I'm a sales admin here at Page Lavington. If you're a buyer looking to accept the transfer of ownership in your eCitizen account, let Page Cars take you through the process. Step 1, you'll need to log in into your eCitizen account and you'll see a notification on your top right whereby you'll need to either accept or decline the ownership transfer. Please do accept. At this point, you'll be taken to a collection tab where you'll need to input several details. The first one will be the notification method, which will be either email or SMS. You can either click both or just one. That's okay. The next requirement will be the logbook collection office. Please input the one that's closest to you. Nairobi, Eldoret, Kericho, the one that's closest to you. Now that you have selected your notification method and the location of office, for a citizen, you'll be required to input your ID type as a national ID. Then you input your ID number and your first name. Click on search and your data will auto-populate. If you're a non-citizen, please choose foreigner as your ID type. Then input your ID number and your first name. Click on search and your data will auto-populate. For the next step, if you had picked email as your notification method, please enter your correct email address and counter check. If you had picked SMS as your notification method, please enter your phone number and counter check. The last step is whereby you check the box that confirms that you've input complete and true information, then click on submit. And that's it. That's the process of accepting ownership of the transfer to your account.